Do you want to use Minimax, Kling, Flux, Runway, and ChatGPT all in one place together? If yes, then you're in the right place, my friend, because today I'm going to show you a tool that will change your content creation game forever. Yes, with this tool, you can access all the latest and greatest AI tools all in one place together. Isn't that crazy? If you are a content creator, then I am sure you use ChatGPT to create or refine your scripts. Then you probably use an AI image generator to generate images and a video generator to turn them into videos. But here's the problem. The content generated by the free version of ChatGPT is not engaging at all. It's very boring and robotic, and the advanced versions are all paid. Now, for image generators, there are a few good options like Flux and Ideogram, but they are also not free. The same goes for video generators. You get a few free generations, but it takes forever to generate. But now, those painful days are over. With this tool, you can create your scripts using the best of the best LLMs like ChatGPT O3, Claude Sonnet 3.5, etc. Then you can generate images using advanced models like Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, completely uncensored. And finally, you can turn any image into a video using tools like Kling, Minimax, Runway, etc. all in one place. It's truly like a dream come true. Here is an example of a video I made using this tool.
For centuries, the legend of Atlantis has fascinated historians, scientists, and dreamers alike. A powerful civilization rich in knowledge and wealth, lost in a single moment. Atlantis, myth or reality? Let's uncover the truth.
Think about it like this. With good tools, you can make great content. With great content, you get more views. And with more views, you get more money. So yes, making high quality content is really important, especially now, as AI content is everywhere, fighting for your attention. I will show you how you can utilize this awesome tool to create amazing content. So make sure you pay very close attention and watch the video until the end, because in the end, I will show you how you can avail the 1 month free trial. Now, without any more delays, let's get started. The tool we will be using today is called Abacus AI. I have been using this for a while, and let me tell you guys, this tool is going to change the way you create content because it is going to make everything so easy and accessible for you. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you are in, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it looks pretty simple and resembles a chatbot because it is a chatbot after all, with tons of other useful features. Now, if you click here, you will be able to see all the different LLMs it has. As you can see, it has ChatGPT's latest and most advanced model, O3 Mini. It also has Deepseek V3, which has literally shaken the entire AI industry. Then it also has Gemini, Grok, Claude Sonnet 3.5, and Abacus AI's own LLM, as you can see from here. Now let's create a video script using one of the models. I will select ChatGPT's O3 Mini. Now, in order to get great results, you need to give it a good prompt. So let me show you a cool trick to generate professional prompts every single time for anything. It's very simple. First, I type the following. Act as a prompt engineer, review this prompt, make it better for optimal results, and ask me if you have any questions before you're proceeding. Then paste your original prompt and hit enter. Don't worry, I will put this prompt in the description. If it asks for clarification, just reply with your answers, just like I did here. After that, it will give you a professional prompt for the best result. Isn't this awesome? Now copy this prompt, open a new chat, paste the prompt and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will create a very professional scene draft for your video. You can either use this draft as it is or make some changes to it as you see fit to make it more interesting. So now we have the script of the video ready. It's time to generate the images. But to generate great images, you need to give it a good prompt. So for the prompt, I will just ask ChatGPT to create the prompts for each and every scene. Now, as you can see, it has generated the image prompts. Since it's generating using O3 Mini, you can expect some great results. Now, once you are ready with the prompt, it's time to generate the images. First, let's try to generate the image. So I will first copy the image prompt for the first scene. Now, to generate the image, click on this image button and it will open this pop-up. Now, if you click here, you will be able to see all the image models it has. As you can see, it has Ideogram, Dolly, Recraft, and most importantly, it has all the models of Flux. If you watch my videos, then you know how much I love Flux, and I believe it is better than Midjourney. Now first, let's select the Ideogram model to generate the image and see how good the result is. After that, from here, you can select how many images to generate. I will keep it at 1. Next, in the prompt section, I will paste the prompt for the first scene. Next, I will turn this modify prompt option off as the prompt is already very detailed. Next, for the aspect ratio, I will select 16.9, and finally for the style, I will keep it as auto but if you want, you can select a particular style. Next, I will hit generate and let it do its magic. And here's how it looks. As you can see, it looks awesome. Now, although this image looks great, this image is not exactly what I am looking for. So let's try to generate one more image with a different image model. Let's try Flux this time. So I will change the image model to Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra, which is the latest and most powerful Flux model. Next, I will paste the same prompt, then turn off prompt enhancement and turn on this option, which will make the image less processed and more realistic. Then I will simply hit generate, and here is the output. Just look at this. You can see it looks awesome. Also, the quality of the image is really good. I'm telling you, only Flux and Midjourney can create awesome, high quality, creative images like this. Let's try one more image. This time I'm going to use the prompt for the second scene. Now this time I will turn the prompt enhancement and this option off and click on generate. And here is the output. As you can see, this image also looks awesome. Well, now I hope you understand why I love Flux. And trust me, only Flux and Midjourney can create high quality, creative images like this. Now, all you need to do is follow your script and generate all the images one by one for your video. Once you are done with the images, it's time to create the videos from the images. To do that, click on More and then select Video Gen. Now, from here, you can see it has all the best AI video generators available. As you can see, it has Luma, Runway, Kling, etc. I mostly use Kling and Minimax, but you can use the one you like. For now, let's go with Minimax. Now you need to upload the image here. After that, you need to give it a prompt. I will give it a simple prompt like this and hit generate. And here is the output. This is looking amazing, isn't it? Look at the movements. They're so smooth and without any kind of weird distortions. This is looking really nice. This is why Minimax is my favorite video generator. Now let's try one more. This time let's try Kling. So I will choose Kling from here. Then from here you can select the standard or the pro model. I will go with the pro model because it generates better results. Next you need to upload the image here, and after that let's give it a prompt. I will give it a simple prompt like this. And now from here you can select the aspect ratio. As you can see from here, you can also select the video length. It can generate videos up to 10 seconds, which is nice. Let's go with 10 and click on generate. And here is the output. Oh my god, honestly, I wasn't expecting the result to be this good. This looks absolutely fabulous. Look at her movements. They're so smooth, aren't they? And the face is also the same throughout the video, which is just awesome. Overall, this is a very high quality video, and I think the motions are even more realistic than Minimax. This is just too good. Now, you need to convert all the images into a video. I'm using a combination of Minimax and Kling, but you can do it with the video generator you like. After creating all the videos, all I did was put them all together in CapCut to add some transitions, sound effects, filters, etc. And here is the final result.
For centuries, the legend of Atlantis has fascinated historians, scientists, and dreamers alike. A powerful civilization rich in knowledge and wealth, lost in a single moment. Atlantis, myth or reality? Let's uncover the truth. 360 BCE. Plato describes a mighty island nation beyond the Pillars of Hercules. A utopia swallowed by the sea in a day and night of disaster. Was it history or a warning? Could Atlantis be the Minoan civilization? Flourishing on Crete, advanced and prosperous, until a massive volcanic eruption wiped them out. Did their fate inspire Plato's tale? In the Bahamas, an underwater structure known as the Bimini Road has sparked debate. Are these ancient ruins or just a natural formation? Could Atlantis lie beneath the Atlantic? Ancient maps show Antarctica ice-free. Was it once home to Atlantis? Some believe shifting continents buried the lost city under miles of ice.
Wow, wasn't that absolutely awesome? I'm telling you guys, if you create quality content like this, then I am 100% sure you will see success very quickly. But guys, you need to make quality content. You can't just make subpar videos and expect them to blow up. You need to add your own creativity and most importantly, use good AI tools to make quality content. And with Abacus AI, it's all here in one place. And you get to try it for free for a whole month. Now, if you are not utilizing this opportunity to create awesome content, then I am telling you, you are really making a big mistake. Just imagine the amount of money you had to spend before to get subscriptions for all the tools it offers. It would have cost you more than $500 monthly, which is crazy. But with Abacus AI, you can get access to all of them for only $10 a month. And now, as promised, let me tell you how you can avail the 1 month free trial. It's very simple. Once you sign up with your email, you need to add a payment method. It could be your credit or debit card, and don't worry, They won't charge you anything. Once that is approved, you will get the 1 month free trial of Abacus AI and you can cancel the subscription anytime you want. Now, if you ask me, then it's better to spend $10 monthly on a tool that has all the best AI tools in one place rather than spending $10 on 10 different tools. Just think about it. With only $10, you are getting access to ChatGPT 3 O Mini, Claude Sonnet 3.5, Grok, Llama, Minimax, Kling Pro, Flux, Ideogram, Runway, Luma Labs, and so many more, which individually would have cost you more than $200. I will put the link in the description. You can go and check that out. Trust me, guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI videos like this, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, keep grinding.